This modern luxury farmhouse is located in Anmore, BC, and has a kitchen that's almost as big as the living room. It's anchored by a massive 18 by 13 foot island, one of the biggest kitchen islands we've ever made. It features 2 full-length slabs with cabinetry and shelving on all 4 sides. An open concept space means fewer walls, so look for opportunities to add built-ins for extra storage. The kitchen also features oak cabinetry, a quartz countertop, and Miele appliances. Adding a dose of luxury and convenience, there is also a coffee station, a built-in vacuum sealer, and a butler's pantry with, you guessed it, even more storage. On to another open concept home, this one a modern duplex on Vancouver's west side. The kitchen is the center here with a 15-foot quartz island the focal point. There is a lot of millwork throughout this house, including in the kitchen, which has tall cabinets and additional storage in the island. The cabinets are matte black engineered veneer. The lower cabinets and upper shelves are rift-cut white oak veneer, creating a balance between dark and light. Most of the appliances in this kitchen are hidden away. The fridge, the dishwasher, and beverage center all have panels to match the millwork. Hiding the appliances behind cabinetry is a great way to create clean lines in an open concept space. The cabinets are accented with matte black fixtures and hardware and gold lighting, a color palette that's repeated in other areas of the house. We find more hidden details in this large custom home in Chilliwack. The kitchen here has a very contemporary look. The island and backsplash are both made from quartz. It has a sub-zero panel front fridge, 6-burner Wolf range with a griddle, a pot filler, and a Wolf oven mounted at eye level. Open one of the doors and it leads to a secret passageway into a large pantry. This home also has very few exposed outlets. The island peninsula has outlets underneath, so you can sit there while charging your devices. For clear sight lines and a modern aesthetic, consider hiding outlets away from view. And check out the baseboards. They're actually flush with the drywall instead of applied over it. This takes a lot of additional work, but it really adds to the clean contemporary look while still affording the durability of a baseboard. To cozy up the space, the kitchen is separated from the living area by a double-sided 8-foot wide fireplace that features large format tile. This kitchen in Delta got a complete upgrade. The main feature here, the huge kitchen island, the perfect place for family and friends to gather. It has a white quartz countertop with a waterfall edge, and in the center, a charcoal undermount sink. We used a full panel of white quartz for the backsplash. Quartz is popular for countertops because it's waterproof and resistant to chips and scratches. The cabinets are rift-cut oak with black and stainless steel hardware and accents. The appliances include a hidden fridge, 2 Wolf wall ovens, a Viking warmer drawer, a Miele panel-ready dishwasher, and a Wolf induction cooktop. The flooring here is a 2x2 porcelain tile. It creates a nice contrast to the whole white aesthetic throughout the house. The entire space used to feel much more closed in. We removed this wall and added a sliding glass door, which brings in so much natural light. On to something much more dramatic. This Delta kitchen renovation features laminate cabinetry that's painted a very dark gray. It gives this entire space a darker and moodier look. If you're looking for a rich dark gray hue, check out Black Panther from Benjamin Moore. We had to use 2 slabs of Caesar stone quartz to create this 15-foot island. It has storage on 2 sides, a bar fridge, and some seating. The brushed gold fixtures and hardware really pop against the cabinetry. 2 more special features to point out. 1, the fridge and freezer feature touch latch technology, which means they close with just a gentle push. The kitchen also has 2 separate sinks. One is for the kitchen area and the other for the wet bar. The perfect setup for those who like to entertain.